In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your domain name to Google Search Console and submit a site map. It's so easy, so let's do it. This is my website. I've added there. I'll use error prefix. Continue. We want to verify. Give it a second. Okay, we are not going to use that. We're going to use HTML tag. Choose the HTML tag option and then click copy. I'm using rank math to verify this, so go to rank math and general setting, go to webmaster tools and click, and paste it there and click save changes. You see it's saved. Go back to and verify. Now your property is verified. Go to property. You'll see that our website is automatically added. This is a welcome notification. Okay, thanks. So we want to submit a sitemap. Go to sitemaps. We want to go back to our website. We're using rank math. Under rank math, go to sitemap settings and then copy this link and paste it here. Click submit. Okay, it's submitting. Give it a second. Oh, it's done. Click on it and we are done. You can see we have submitted.